On August 10, 2020, in the wee hours of the morning, Karandi was brutally killed. The way, the barbarity, the brutality, the ruthlessness of killing of Karandi is a crystal clear violation to international humanitarian law and all existing human rights laws in the Philippines. Karandi is unarmed. The counterinsurgency operation, both by the previous administration of Duterte and the present administration of Marcos Jr., targets all, including unarmed civilians. They all consider us enemies of the state.